It's an amazing experience being up close with an animal we might never have the opportunity to see otherwise. We love them so much, all we want to do is be up close and personal. But when does this love become toxic? When must we consider the moral connotations of keeping these animals confined? Marine parks have a tendency to purposely spread misinformation so that they can keep their customers in the dark. 2 weeks after one of SeaWorld's whales sustained an injury to his jaw that left his bone exposed, they claimed that it was the result of a collision with the tank. Even after this was disputed by trainers and scientists, SeaWorld refused to revoke their statements. This whale was forced to perform mere weeks after he was wounded. Every whale held in captivity has been reported to have damage to their teeth that is seldom seen in wild orcas. Their teeth are cracked and corroded, leaving their nerves exposed and putting them at high risk for deadly infections. Marine parks wash their hands of responsibility, insisting that this type of damage is typical in the wild. Researchers insist that this is the farthest from the truth, yet they continue to spin this harmful narrative so that they can continue to harm these animals and refuse them treatment. Even with the extreme pain of their exposed nerves, they are forced to perform. This is not love. This is not admiration. This is nothing but exploitation. Loving these animals would mean returning them to their families and homes in the ocean, keeping their environments protected from the likes of these corporations who see them as nothing but a commodity, saving them from the likes of those who wish to put them in tiny tanks where they endure horrific psychological and physical pain. Every ticket purchased to one of these circus shows is a slip of permission to continue their abuse. Before you buy, ask yourself if you'd be able to look at one of these wounded creatures, force them to perform unnatural tricks, then swear that it is simply out of love. Thank you for staying and listening to my TED Talk.